Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove battery from Sony camera. So let's go and do that. So now if we turn around our camera and go to the bottom of the body here, you will see these small doors right here. And right here you see open and lock. So if I press here this button, just like that, these doors opens up immediately. And now you see here this blue like switch. So if I press here, the battery basically jumps out, and that's it. So this is how we remove battery from Sony camera. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.